Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Today on the chopping block, as you can see, we got pizza. And we got two kids that are going to be making some pizzas on their own today. I'm going to introduce you. One of them is Ladybug. You guys don't heard from another video, a kid taking over my show. That's this one. You know this guy from another video. This that guy right here. Tell him your name.
Ashton.
And your name?
Ladybug.
Alright. Y'all gonna go ahead and make y'all some pizzas?
What about the timer, like a challenge?
Huh?
A timer about the challenge?
A challenge? It's no challenge.
Where you going?
Okay. So you guys, you know how to make it? You need help?
No.
Why not? Okay. See what she gonna do. Take your spoon right there. Try not to make a mess. You gotta be a good chef, right?
Mhm.
All right.
I'm gonna taste it when it's done.
Let's zoom in on them seeing how to make their pizza. Okay, you don't want to put too much sauce on that because it's gonna come on the side. You got way too much sauce on that. You wash your hand.
I'm sure it's gonna die.
Now, how you gonna be a chef if you ain't gonna listen? You gotta listen, right?
Yep.
You want sauce all the way through that pizza. Okay?
This gonna look good. I'm gonna like this better. I like the sauce and the cheese better, but the chicken.
Scoot yours over, like so. So you can't put it in one spot, Ashton.
Oh.
Okay? You gotta spread it about. Look, take it like this.
Around and about.
And do it like that. All right? We'll help you out a little bit.
I think that's enough. Oh, Mr. Howdy now. I think that's enough for me.
You want some meat?
Now I eat
The
meat.
sausage. Italian sausage.
Yeah. And then I'm getting pepperoni.
Get some.
You said I can do it.
Here you go.
Oh, I can just take it out.
Yeah. There you go.
This how you do the pepperoni.
Oh, you want to cut them more?
Yep. This is a challenge.
Oh, I should have put my pepperoni on first.
Good job. That's one down. You want to do the other one?
Mine look good.
Yeah, it look good. That's all you want on yours? You want some ham on yours?
No, that's enough. Yeah, I
That's all you
won.
want on there?
Bingo, I won first.
Okay, that's one down.
Your
It's
second.
Ashton pizza. Okay? We're going to go ahead and put this on the pan.
You gotta make your second one, Ashton.
My second one? I'm gonna make my second one.
Yeah, you don't want to make your second one?
Nah.
You want me to make your...
He only just want to go play the game.
Why you running off? See, you want to help cook, but you don't want to participate. Soon the game come on, he disappears. But you begging all day, can I help, can I help? On the video, can I help, can I help? Okay. The cheese. Mozzarella. Okay. Grab us some of this pepperoni.
I guess Ashton not eating the second one.
Put the pepperoni on
Black
there.
olives. Got black olives. Uh-oh, I forgot black olives.
You don't eat black olives.
That's me.
Don't I
Ashley, you don't gotta be all loud.
You don't eat black olives.
Yes, I
You do
do.
eat black olives.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, too bad. I ain't make them. I ain't cut them up.
Oops.
Jeez.
Okay.
So right now,
You put a lot of meat on yours, didn't you? Like overdid it with the sausage. Like way overdid it.
I guess that's the last three.
Saute bell peppers. Break those up.
Oops. My second one
Okay.
is very weird.
Cheese to this. Parmesan. This is Parmesan and Romano. That's the last one. We'll take that one over there.
Ooh.
Right. You know what I'm saying? That made a big mess. Showing the pizza. Need the pizza. We're gonna go ahead and cook those up and we'll be right back. Okay guys, back. I got rid of the rug rats. So I'm gonna go ahead, since I had some fajita stuff left over. If you haven't seen that one, go back and check it out. So I'm gonna take the rest of this sauce, put it on this one. Alright. May need a little bit more sauce, so you can just turn this like so. I like it all the way to the edge. This is Prego sauce, pizza sauce. And who don't like a meaty and saucy pizza? I do. Now we're going to take a Parmesan Romano. We're going to sprinkle some of this on top of there. Then we're going to come in with some of our white cheese. Just so it can stick on there, so it won't be sliding off with the sauce. Alright. Like that. Then we got some chicken. We'll take our chicken. Just throw it on there. Spread it out evenly. Okay. Alright. We got some mushrooms. Take us some mushrooms. These are thick. I'm gonna slice mine. Get your knife. These down for a second. Like slice those in half or something. There, one right there. Alright. Alright, then we're gonna take our cheese. bell peppers. Throw those on there. They sauteed. All right. There you go. Chicken fajita pizza. Well, I'm gonna top it off with something else. Salsa. Huh? Okay, that should be good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and throw that in the oven and see what it looks like. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's their pizza. We'll go ahead and get me a towel. Take that off this pan. Go ahead and put the other one in there. Alright guys, we're done with the pizza. We had one of them burnt up on us.
Yeah, it was a little incident.
I told Ashton to check on it. I'll show you guys that one. On Veil Dog Kitchen, we keep it real. This is the chocolate one. So this was hers. So Ashton burnt it up.
I burnt it up.
You burnt
This
it
is
up.
my other one. To be eaten today.
Sorry, I burnt your pizza. I burnt your pizza up. I forgot to check. I forgot
Y'all want
to
to tell them anything before we get ready to go?
Yes.
Hmm?
Eat our pizza.
Tell them thank you for tuning in
Thank
to
you
Veil
for
Dog
tuning
Kitchen.
in to Veil Dog's Kitchen. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. And turn on your post notifications.
And put that thumbs up for your boy.
Alright, this is Veil Dog signing out with his grandbabies in a minute.
The pizza with the sauce is so good.
The sauce is so good. What you mean? Why are you biting the pizza?
This is my pizza.
You gonna eat it like that? Okay. Alright.
Who is that? For Mama?
Probably Kiana and Corey. Oh, whoever that's one.
Tiana! Corey, the pizza!
Did you hook it up?
What?
Did you hook your pizza up?
Yeah.
I know I hooked mine up.
Alright.
I'm gonna get mine hooked up.
You did a good job, Ashton and Ladybug.
Ladybug, I did. Cause I put meat, sausage.
How you gonna tell me if I did or didn't? You ain't even taste it.
After I put sauce on there, we put sauce on there first. And we put cheese, and I pepperoni, and then meat. And then these sauces down there.
I got sausage, pepperoni, sauce.
Alright.